Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will help to set up Netgear Nighthawk EX7500 X4s AC2200 Wi-Fi mesh extender device. Let's start. First of all, place your extender in the same room as your Wi-Fi router. Proximity to the Wi-Fi router is required only during the initial setup process. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet. Wait for the power LED to light solid blue. If the power LED does not light, press the WPS or power button on the extender for more than 5 seconds. This button functions as a WPS or power button, depending on how long you press it. Press the WPS button on the extender for 15 to 20 seconds. The WPS LED blinks. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router device. When the extender connects to your existing Wi-Fi network, the WPS LED on the extender lights solid blue. Unplug the Netgear Tri-Band Wi-Fi range extender and move it to a new location that is about halfway between your router and the area with a poor router Wi-Fi signal. The location that you choose must be within the range of your existing Wi-Fi router network. Your Netgear extender is connected with the router using WPS. Now, start Smart Setup installation. You can use Smart Setup to change the extender settings. This is an easy way to connect the extender to a different router or to change the extender's SSID or Wi-Fi password. First, connect your mobile or computer device to Wi-Fi extender network named Netgear_EXT. Then launch a web browser from a computer or mobile device that is connected to your extender network. Then log into your Netgear Nighthawk EX7500 Wi-Fi extender. To log in, type mywifixt.net for Windows and mywifiX.local for iOS operating system in the web URL bar. Hit the Enter button, and a login page displays. Enter your admin username and password and click the Login button. Then, click the Smart Setup button. If you face any issue while set up your Netgear Nighthawk EX7500 X4s AC2200 Wi-Fi mesh extender device, then you can contact the toll-free number for assistance. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.